Okay, so what are you saving your calories for this Diwali?
Lots of chocolate, lots of cake, lots of goodies, lots of like motichur laddu, besan ka laddu, fun stuff.
Fun stuff.
And when you're promoting with Imtiaz and Ranbir, you're bound to just have like great food all the time because they have this knack of picking like the most amazing food places wherever we go. And I'm sure even this time we're going to end up doing that. So.
Okay. And Ranbir, I know that you're a big foodie basically. I don't think you're going to be saving your calories, but just to pretend you're like the rest of us mere mortal, just make us all feel better and say what are you saving your calories?
We all eat. Like I've seen Deepika also, eat as much as like you wouldn't believe, her being an actress and the way she looks. But she eats. But of course you have because we are in a visual medium, so you have to take care of yourself. So you spend that extra few minutes in the gym or doing cardio. But you can't resist. Good food, that's what really makes you happy. That's what gives you your happy endorphins releases in your body.
Diwali is a time for everyone to come together, for family, for friends. Every Diwali, of course, there are some people who you miss having around, though, who have been part of your Diwali celebrations before. Is there anybody who you think of, at this festive time and who you miss, perhaps?
For me, obviously my family, because I live in Mumbai and they live in Bangalore. So for me, it's an obvious, I miss my family. And it's a production for either me to be with them or for them to come here. I guess it's not as easy as it probably is for a lot of other families who are just generally together. But yeah, I miss my family.
Okay, and Ranbir, what about you?
I do the customary, I go to my grandmother's house, I wish her happy Diwali. I go to RK Studios, we have a Lakshmi Puja there, then a Lakshmi Puja at my house with my parents. So it's pretty much the same that I've been doing since the time I was born. And we continue doing that. There are some times that you're shooting abroad and you can't make it. Like last year I was not here for Diwali. So I have lots of making
And
up to
this year
do.
he's promoting Tamasha.
This year promoting Tamasha.
Yeah.
But I guess on that Diwali day, there will be an industry party where everybody meet and also wish each other. There's the customary card playing and all of that. So it's probably going to be one of the good celebrations.